Hello everybody, just got this charger and adapter for Yaesu vx6r. Inside the box you can find the power adapter and this desktop charger. This really good thing, I think, for the radio, because you can charge the radio like this, or just battery. Just put the battery like this in charger. Let's see, yeah, the red lamp when the battery is charging, the green lamp when the battery is charged. Actually you can charge the radio like this, just connect this connector to the radio and you see the process of charging. Currently I use not original battery right here. Let's see what is inside this device. I think this thing is really good. Let's see the opposite side of the board.